Now to a growing health and an environmental crisis for thousands of residents in Southern California. In tonight's Eye on America, CBS's Jonathan Vigliotti shows us how the state's largest lake is drying up and leading to even bigger problems on land and in the air.
Four-year-old Damian Lopez has symptoms many who live near California's Salton Sea have.
His cough gets very wheezy. I try to control him.
Control often means visiting pediatric nurse Christina Galindo.
And then out, I can see up to 25 to 30 patients a day, and maybe half of those are dealing with respiratory issues.
A recent study found that more than 20% of the region's 178,000 people have asthma-like symptoms. This is nearly triple the national rate for asthma.
Why people who live close to the Salton Sea have such a high incidence of asthma.
Dr. David Lowe led a study at UC Riverside that identified that cause. The Salton Sea itself formed in the early 1900s after a dam break flooded the valley with Colorado River water. Today, its primary source is nearby farm runoff.
Fertilizer, heavy metals, like some arsenic, selenium.
For decades, this dangerous mix sat on the sea floor. But without replenishment from the Colorado, the Salton is rapidly receding, exposing a dry and toxic lakebed to the wind and also attracting a new industry looking to mine another chemical that lies below.
If California wants to electrify every single vehicle by 2035, they're going to need every piece of lithium they can get.
Frank Ruiz works for the California Audubon Society and sits on the commission overseeing the mining of lithium.
We don't completely understand the impact of the lithium industry. No industry is 100% free of environmental impacts.
Ruiz says lithium could be liquid gold for a region facing some of the highest poverty rates in the state. For now, it's unclear if lithium is a lifeline or a threat.
This is a toxic dust.
Do you worry that the Salton Sea and the surrounding communities could be sacrificed for the greater good?
I hope not. Taxes and revenues can potentially provide money to continue covering this toxic playa.
Michelle Lopez hopes her family is not left in the dust.
I'm concerned that one day they'll be like, you have to leave your house because you can't live in here anymore.
For Eye on America, Jonathan Vigliotti, CBS News.